Doctor's appointment, TDAP and polio vaccination, tutorial part 1. To start your medical requirements for your program, please make sure that you download your specific program health form and then book an appointment with your family doctor. You can go to any walk-in clinic as well if you don't have a family doctor. International students may start their medical requirements from their home country to help you save time and money. International students, please make sure that your medical records, lab test reports are translated in English language and they stamp your forms before you arrive in Canada. Please read carefully the special notes on the form. Once you downloaded your health form, please make sure that you fill out first all of the top portions of the form with your personal information and bring this health form to your family doctor's appointment. And you're going to ask your doctor the first requirement on the form, which is tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis shot. If you have any record of having a TDAP shot that's still valid for 10 years, you don't need to redo the shot. Please ask your doctor to transfer the date on the form. Just to show you an example of a student form. Just ask the doctor to transfer the date on the form. If you have any immunization records from your regional public health, this is a sufficient supporting documents as well that you can show to your doctor and have them transfer the record on the health form. If you can't find any records of your most recent TDAP shot, please ask your doctor just to give you a new Adacel vaccine. If you're a domestic student, it's covered by our health card and you don't need to pay for this vaccine. Unfortunately, if you're an international student, you will pay for this vaccine at the doctor's office. And then make sure that you request a new yellow card or immunization record as proof. Thank you.